Hello all and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to install JDK11 on Windows 10. You go to Google and search for JDK11 download. You're on the search page, just click on the first link to download JDK11. The one thing that you have to remember is that Oracle does not offer JDK11 for 32-bit Windows operating system. You can check the properties of your operating system. If you have 32-bit OS, then you need to download older version of JDK. If you scroll down on this page, you'll find different installer packages are given for different operating systems like Linux, Mac, Solaris and Windows. So we are going to download it for Windows. So click on this exe file. Now here in this dialog box, make the checkbox on for accepting the license agreement. Now when you click on download button, you will be redirected to login screen where you need to log into Oracle. Then only your download will happen. Now on this page, if you have already registered, enter the details, or you can click on create account to create a new account for Oracle. Now already I have my login or account for Oracle. Let me just log in. Once you enter the details, click on sign in. So you will be signed in and you will find your download will start. Now it may take some time. So I'm going to fast forward this portion a little bit. Now double click on the setup file. Click on yes. Now click on next button on the first page. Click on the next. And your setup will start. Now you will find JDK has been successfully installed on your machine. You can click on close button. Now you can go and check the installation folder. The installation folder is C, program files. You will find there is a Java folder. So this is the installation folder of Java. I'll just put it in the notepad. So you'll find this is the installation folder of Java. Now this is a bin directory which contains the tools for compiling and running Java programs. So if you just go here, you will find java.exe is available to run Java application, and javac.exe for compiling the application. So we're going to discuss it later on. So this is how you can install JDK11 on Windows 10. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.